I got some of the plastic models here, of course. Yeah, 59 Buick up there. There's an AMT, no snap together. That's a Junior. There she is. That is cool. Remember these? Never liked them because they were so simple, but they were fun, and it's neat to see them now. AMT 59L Camino, 60 Corvair Corsa. Nice, nice, nice. Clemente Bandito. Some cool stuff here. My God.
I love his stuff.
This is great.
I love his stuff.
The Triumph GT6. You don't see this
I
stuff.
like how you do this, man. It's cool.
Yeah.
I put
32.
a lot of stuff in Chris.
Oh, look at this. What are you looking at here? Oh, you're a Corvair person, huh? Nice.
Huh?
That's nice.
Yeah.
Cool beans. Oh, this is cool. Look at this Conti.
Yeah,
Conti Mark IV. Is that beautiful? I like that. I like that. Nice kit. That is a nice kit. It's assembled, unfortunately. Well done, though.
Yeah.
Needs paint. It needs finishing.
Do you paint your stuff?
Let's see what we got here. This one's for you, Butch. Although it's not a Rambler, it's a Javelin, AMX Javelin. We got over there. One of my favorites, 49 Merc Woody. Used to have one. What else we have? Oh, here we go. The Johan Cadillac Coupe de Ville. Unfortunately, it's supposed to snap together. But I don't care. It's still a it's still a Cadillac. We got some really weird. And then, of course, we've got.
Best.
Yep.
For you, do
Can I sneak past?
Okay.
That's a good call.
Thank you.
That's okay.
66 Stingray. All of your vets up there.
230.
68 DeVille. Oh my gosh. 67 Ambassador hardtop. Wow. That is wild. Look at that. 66 Chrysler 300.
It's got some stuff.
Oh, does he ever. 62 Dart convertible. Wow.
Now, who do you send this to?
So,
I shouldn't ask.
I continue.
Thank you.
Check out this Volkswagen. Build a stock or AA altered coupe. Is that neat? Magnum GT2. Wow. Oh, look at that thing. Customizing kit. Barracuda. Butch, you're going to go nuts looking at this stuff. I know, Dave, you too. You're going to tell me all about it. This is the gateway drugs which we all had for getting into cars. It was through all the plastic model sets. Cobra, of course. Dodge Coronet Racing. Wow. This is neat. Look at a Monte Carlo. Have you ever seen a 70 Monte Carlo before? Next thing you know, you're going to find there's a 66 Marlin over there.
Hey, you been all right?
And again, this one's for you, Dave. 69 AMC Scrambler. Look at that. Beautiful. That's the Hearst. Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, get a hold of this one, the 59 Rambler station wagon. There we go. Wow. Wow. AMC Hornet funny car dragster. Wow. Rambler at its best. Look at that. Ram Chargers dragster with a transport truck. Oh my gosh. Oh. Wow. Oh my gosh. 68 Continental. Gee. Mustang 2. This is amazing. 69 AMX. Dodge Dart 440. The Mark IV. Wow. Oh, this is why you gotta come, folks, because you find all the weird stuff if you look. Austin Healey, Chaparral. Oh, this was the racing car. Look at that. Oh my gosh. No price on it. 65. Wow. Oh, be still my beating heart. We're going to end with this dragster over here, the monograms. Cool beans. Oh, this is great. Ah. For more cool events like this, make sure you check northeastwheelsevents.com, southeastwheelsevents.com, ukwheelsevents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. And if you like this video, make sure you click subscribe. I'll see you at the shows.